Faces for cabinet signs can be clumsy to install or remove. That's why we've developed a helpful accessory to make it easy for one person to tackle the job. Van Ladder's face bar slides into the chariot bucket's rotation handles and pins in place. Once the bar is installed, use the heavy-duty securement clamps to hang the face. To ensure that the face can slide into the cabinet grooves, secure the first clamp at least 1 foot away from the leading edge. Also, make sure you can reach the first clamp from inside the bucket. Position the remaining clamps where they have the most unobstructed travel along the bar. As a precaution, pull out the lower forks to safeguard against the face falling to the ground. Keep in mind that you can retract the forks later from inside the bucket. When you reach the sign, align the face with the cabinet grooves and begin inserting. Remove the first clamp when it reaches the cabinet. Then, continue sliding the face into position, either manually or by using the slow mode rotation. Remove each clamp when it can no longer slide along the bar. Remember to cone off the zone directly below the bucket, especially near store entrances, where even a small tool could cause injury if dropped from the elevated platform. Van Ladder, the bucket truck designed to make sign work simpler.